Hi guys, this is 2 days after Christmas, and Buddy's got some presents, new levers, anodized gear shifter. Replace that one. So we're going to just do this now, and you can see the weather, absolutely grey, horrible, slight drizzle in the air, not very nice. There's the gap there. Got to line these two up. Move that out of the way, I can't see.
That's for the thing.
Right. Okay. I'm pretty certain we're going to have to loosen the other end off a little bit, because we're going to have to try and pull that round. We'll see if we can do it or not. So anyway, we've got that out there. You can see the damage to the old one.
Oh yeah, I meant to pass you that.
Alright, that's the damage to the old one. But they're not expensive to buy. These are a bit better quality, so they're a little bit tougher. That's why we bought this one. And it's adjustable as well, which is a nice thing. Put that there like that, so they all line up. Beforehand, see the way they line up.
So look how it snapped off.
Yeah, well it will do. It's just monkey metal, what they call. It might fit on there, but we'll just take it off. And put that in place. Just shuffle. That's the way it went before, isn't it?
Yeah.
And just get it started. Can I have a socket? Should have got the little extension bar, it makes it easier. Right, one. Right, you do this, the bottom one. I can't see it. I'll do it like that for a minute.
Socket.
Just makes it easier just to turn it around once you've got it in place.
Equal gap, yeah?
Yeah, there should be an equal gap in that piece and the bottom piece. That's important. Otherwise you're putting too much strain on one side and not the other.
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay, that's it. We'll just nip them up for now. We don't need to do any more with that. Right, hold that for a minute, Buzzy, because we might have to undo the other end yet. It all depends how much free plate we've got on this.
Oh, I'm filming me.
Like so. Pull it forward. Through that one. And that one. Now. No, we're going to try and do that end. Going to do the adjuster that end. I can see it now. So that's that. 12, 13 mil. This one here and this one here.
So the 13?
Yep. Just got to undo the adjuster so that when it gives us that little bit more to get that in there. We should be able to do it just by taking the back one.
Surely they're too big. Or too small.
Could get it on there yet. It's not exactly an easy place to get it in. As you can see, guys, if I can get a bit of a turn on it, which I'm not going to be able to do. So, right, hold that for a minute, Bassing.
Let me see if I can get him.
No, no, if you're going to find me the socket again, give me the socket. Oh. Awkward, isn't it? With undoing this, you're actually undoing the part of the crankcases.
Oh yeah.
But it doesn't now. I'm sure that one's loose enough now. That one is as well. There we go. Now, can we get at that now? That we'll leave the other one in place because that's we know where that the marker is, so now we should be able to push it that way, which should give us more free play that end. Right, should be able to pull that.
Okay, now just
Put that in there now. Slot it in the hole.
yeah, it's in.
Right, leave it alone for now. Leave it alone for now because we've got to put this back. Hold that back on there. So let me just wind that back up to there. Make sure that's in place properly. Make sure that's that'll do. It's back in place. Snip them up, because you know what these are like. If you overdo them, they'll strip them out every time without fail. I might have to get a pair of pliers on that because yeah, can you get me a pair of pliers, Buzzy?
Normal pair.
Yeah, well, a pair that'll fit on that and turn that round. Right, we change them over. We're going to tighten that up in a minute. We change them over, so now they leave us for here. So what we've got to do now is we need to adjust this out a bit because even with the clutch, it's going to hit there. So we need to remove this. But there is an adjuster on it. Hold that for me, show me. On this here, so I'm going to wind that in there like that.
Yeah, that's alright, that's good.
Just feel how that feels with your hand.
Yeah.
That's close enough to there?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So another turn. Let's wipe that off. That's okay. Nothing can come out of that. Right, what we need now is just start it and then just put it in gear, Butty, or just
Yeah.
put it in gear and then push it forward with the clutch in.
Like,
Just so you can see, so. Oh, let me just, before we start it, Buzzy, just hold that for a second. Let me just tighten this off. Got that switch off, hold that for me. You happy with it like that? You can have it further up.
brilliant. Yeah, that's fine.
That'll do it.
Yeah. Would it?
Right, Buzzy. Just move that way a little bit, so you're not on top of me.
Bumper clock. that's fine. Yeah, that's good.
We had to find out where it was going to come out.
Okay, I didn't know. I didn't know that's what you wanted to see.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Right. Did you want to quickly do this then?
Oh yeah.
What else are you gonna do?
We're just going to do the 10mm on this one here. Because we've got
Couldn't you?
a new one here, you see.
My idiot left it loose in it. How much is this? It's tight, isn't it?
Yep. Do it nicely. So you want to take the screw all the way out
All the way
because
out.
it's still stopping it coming out. It's got to be out in your hand. And you might need a screwdriver just to put it in there or something in the back of that just to brace it off.
Bomber club.
Remember what I just said here?
Why's it got-
Carefully.
It's got it. It's coming. Why is it such a
Well,
pain in the
if you
ass?
could, well, the idea was to put the screwdriver in the gap there,
Oh, what?
and then just if you can get it in. If not, carry on what we're doing. It'll come off in a second.
That's some bullshit.
No, it's just fiddly, isn't it? Put that back in there again.
Oh my days. Almost got it.
That's it. Now you might want to just put it up one.
Yeah.
Try it up one. If not, go back to where you were.
Well, I've just lost where I was. Try there.
That's too high now.
You think?
Yeah. No, you want to go back to where you
That's
were.
way too high. There.
And that's about the same as all that.
Exact same.
Just one down a frac.
Like there.
It'd have to be there, won't it? Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Back in there. And make sure that's on there far enough, like that. And give me the spanner to hold the top. So put that on there.
Wait, this is easy if I don't use extension bar. I think that right? No, that's
No.
not. Maybe that.
Somebody's heavy.
Let's check that shit. There we go.
Right, push that out then. Thank you.
That was him?
Has that still got a stand there?
Yeah.
If I let go, that will fall over?
Yeah, you know.
Right, I think it's me.
Is it working? I think so. Am I even tightening it?
You've got to go a little bit further yet because it's on a what you call it, so it's still quite loose yet. I'll let you know when it starts
Oh,
to
yeah,
take.
here we go.
Not overdo it.
Yep.
It'll bust that. That'll do. That'll do. Yeah. Right now. No, you've got to loosen it off because you've over tightened it. Now you've locked the whole thing up. Told you not to over tighten it, didn't I? Don't over tighten because now you've clamped it. That'll do. Right. Now you got to roll the bike because it might already be binding. I don't know.
Sure.
Right. Well, there we are, guys. That's it. We've got to call it quits now because it's too cold and miserable. But we've changed the levers over so they look a lot better. We think they do anyway. Clutch is all done. Oh, I need to do that. The other side.
What side?
This side. Oh no! Did I lock that off?
Yeah. What, look? These bits?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, right, that's that locked off. Did the scrap for that did up. I did both of those up. That's all done. I think that's it.
It's got a clutch now, isn't it? And they snap back. Well, these snap back. Oh,
Yeah.
So surely they can never snap ever again.
Well, they can bend and things. With that,
Yeah, that's alright.
it doesn't matter. They're fine. They're fine. Right. Okay, guys. Right. Thank you for watching us. You can just about see us in the dark, as usual. Right. Say goodbye, guys.
See you later.
See you later, guys.